In this video, we will explore how to create a school newsletter using Adobe Creative Cloud. To get started, we visit adobe.com/express and click Start for free. Here we can see a range of different projects that we can create, and we're going to click on the purple plus and choose Web Page to get started with our newsletter. On the opening screen, we can add a title, but first I'm going to add a photo background including my school logo. I click on Upload Photo, and then I can upload directly from my computer. Next, I'm going to type in my title, so I'm going to call this School Newsletter, and underneath I'm going to pop in the month. When I'm finished with that, I can try different themes to make my text stand out more. So here I can just choose a few and try them out. Once I've decided on the one I'm happy with, I can then return to the editor. Anywhere I see a plus in Adobe Spark page, I can add content. So here I'm going to add a background by choosing Glide Show. What I can do is find free photos, type in the topic, and choose some photos that will be inserted as my background for the newsletter. I can choose to replace the images or reorder them, and when I'm finished, press save to add them to my newsletter background. Now I'm going to add more content, so this time I press plus and choose split screen. This will allow me to add an image alongside some text. I'm going to press the back button and choose Adobe Stock this time to choose a stock image. I type in my search term and click on the image I want to use and it will pop in. Then I'm going to click plus again and choose text. This time I can type in important text here, and I can use the small editing features to make some changes to the text. If I want to add more text, then I can press the return button. Then I can repeat those steps to add further sections, or if you remember we added a glide show, I can see some boxes here where I have the option to add content. So here I'm going to type in some more content to this section. So here I want to insert a link, so I'm going to add a button. I'm going to type in the name of the button here, which is Seaside Meditation. And on the next line, I'm going to copy and paste the actual link in. I can choose the alignment of the button as well, so I'm going to choose to center it in this section. And at any point, I can press the preview button to see how my newsletter is looking. Now I'm going to choose to add more content, so I've chosen the plus, and this time I'm adding a video. I'm pasting in a YouTube link, and that will insert the video directly into my newsletter. And now I can press plus and add some text to give some information about the video. I've added some more content, and now I'd like to add a photo grid, so I press plus photo grid. I can continue to add images here from Adobe Stock, or I can press the back button and upload my own images. Just like in the glide show, I can click a number of images and they'll pop up on the screen. And when I'm finished, I can press save and it will automatically insert the photo grid into our newsletter. Now I can click and type in a caption beneath the photo grid. Now I'm ready to preview my newsletter once again, and I can scroll through the different elements to see how it's looking. I'd like to add one final piece now where I'm linking to a website. Here I'm going to choose text and I'm going to type in the text I would like to insert. Then I'm going to select and highlight an individual word, and when I see the editor menu, I'm going to look for the link icon. Here I'm going to paste in the link that I want to link out to and then press save. I know this has worked when I see the blue hyperlink. It's good practice then to preview the work once more before getting ready to share. I have a few options here that you can see on screen, and I'm going to choose publish and share link. Here I just need to add a few more details, so I'm adding in the month to the title. I can choose education as the category, and down further I'm going to turn off the get noticed button so that this work is not published on the Adobe website. Once I've done that, a unique web address or URL is generated for this newsletter. I can copy it directly and paste it into an email, for example, and I have another few methods by which I can share this also. So here I'm going to press copy, and then if I open this in a new tab, we'll see what it looks like to the viewer. At the very bottom of the screen there is an appreciate button, which is similar to a like button that parents can click on, and you'll see that the credits for all the images and media are automatically populated. If you make any changes to your newsletter, you need to press the share button again and then click on the update link button to get a new link. Then you can share as normal.